chemical displacement and chemical double displacement or decomposition. What is chemical displacement? Okay, movement of, or we can say when one ion moves from one molecule to another molecule. It is called chemical displacement. One ion moves, only one ion. Okay, here double no answer question itself is a double. So when two ions are exchanged between two molecules, it is called chemical double displacement. Two ions are exchanged. Okay, so let me explain double displacement first, then I will come to chemical displacement because it is a little bit lengthy topic. Double displacement, two ions are exchanged between. Okay, first let me give one small example here and there. Zinc plus HCl, suppose we are reacting. The chloride ion comes from HCl to zinc and forms zinc chloride plus H2 gas. Okay, because two chlorides, two hydrogens put here. Since chloride ion is moving from one molecule, this is one molecule to another molecule, it's called single displacement. In double displacement, what happens means in double displacement, two ions will be exchanged. In double displacement, two ions will be exchanged. How two ions will be exchanged, I will show you. So normally, when two ions are, when two molecules are combining, like example, if you take barium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride, one chloride ion comes here, hydroxide ion goes there. Two ions, hydroxide ion and chloride ion, are exchanged between two molecules. When they are exchanged between two molecules, what you get? You'll get barium chloride plus ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, NH4OH. Two hydroxides are there, put two here. Two ammoniums are there, put two here. Everything is balanced. Okay, so barium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. Here hydroxide ion is coming here, chloride ion is coming here, and this is also put, you can put minus delta because this is also example for endothermic reaction. This is the only endothermic reaction example given in your textbook. This is the only. If ever anyone asks endothermic, also you write this one. If ever anyone asks chemical displacement, also write this one. Or if ever anyone asks you double displacement precipitation reaction, also you can write this one. Because barium chloride is a white precipitate. Okay, so double displacement means two ions are exchanged between two molecules. Here, one ion is moving from one molecule to another molecule. Okay, double displacement you can also give like suppose lead nitrate is there, PbNO3 taken twice, plus potassium iodide is there. Iodine will come here, nitrate will go here. What you will get? PbI2, lead iodide. Lead iodide, it is an yellow precipitate. It is an yellow precipitate. What is precipitate? Which insoluble substance, an insoluble substance which is formed at the end of the reaction. An insoluble substance which is formed at the end of the test tube is called precipitate. If it goes as a gas, we'll denote it as up arrow. So lead iodide is a yellow precipitate plus you will get potassium nitrate, KNO3. KNO3. Since two nitrates are there, put here two, two iodines, two iodines. Lead iodide is a yellow precipitate. This is also you can give for double displacement and also precipitation reaction. You can give this example. Double displacement means one ion is going there, one ion is coming here. Two ions are exchanged between two molecules. Definitions are very, very important. Whereas chemical displacement, one ion is moving from one molecule to another molecule. It's called chemical displacement. Okay, and here before discussing about chemical displacement in brief, you should know here activity series also. You should know activity series. I hope everyone of you know activity series. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver. Okay, here they are arranged in decreasing order of their reactivity. You should remember this series as it is. You should remember this series. There is no other alternative. This is topmost reactive, and least reactive is silver and gold and platinum are least reactive. Silver, gold, platinum. Potassium is the highest reactive. Important topic what I want to say is more reactive metals displace less reactive metals from their source. Means suppose if I take potassium with NaCl, Because potassium is more reactive, it can form KCl plus Na. You can form KCl plus Na if you want. But same reaction, if I take Na plus KCl, Na is less reactive than potassium. This reaction is not possible. More reactive metals can displace less reactive metals from their salts. Okay, you should understand this concept, very, very important. More reactive metals can displace less reactive metals from their salts. One more example. Suppose if you put zinc plus below zinc, who is there? FeSO4. Any below FeSO4. Reaction will occur. What is the reaction? ZnSO4 plus Fe. But same reaction, if I put Fe plus ZnSO4, if I ask you, you should not say FeSO4 plus Zn. You should not say. You should say no reaction. Why no reaction? Because zinc is more reactive than iron. Reaction cannot occur. But here reaction can occur. Why? Zinc is more reactive than iron. So zinc can displace iron. More reactive metals displace less reactive metals from their salts. Again, I'm saying more reactive metals can displace less reactive. More reactive can displace any one of them, but it can't displace above. It can displace below any one of them. It can displace. Who can displace? Zinc. Suppose iron is there. Iron can displace anyone below them. Suppose lead is there. Lead can displace anyone below them, but not above them. So, you have more important concept is more reactive metals. Okay, can displace less reactive metals from their source. From their source, you should write. More reactive metals displace less reactive metals from their source. So these are the differences between chemical displacement and double displacement. So finally, coming to the conclusion, what is the chemical displacement? One ion moves from one molecule to another molecule. Here, two ions are exchanged between two molecules. And here one ion moves from one molecule to another molecule. This is an example. And here also we discussed about reactivity series, very, very important. And the same one you also have your chemistry activity, then board. You have 15 practicals, 5 chemistry, 5 physics, 5 biology. In that you have this one also. Okay. So if you have any doubts, let me know. I am switching off the recording.